Cooking with TOS is tough. That's probably the biggest question I get asked about when people find out I have a YouTube channel and they say, well, what's the name? I'm like, well, it's TosTinMan. They're like, what's that? Well, the TOS stands for thoracic outlet syndrome, which is my disability that I've had for close to 40 years now. The Tin Man part's just because I get pretty stiff and I don't move around very well, kind of like a Tin Man that needs oil. So, but the problem I've been having lately, I've always had problems cooking. In fact, I really never intended to have a cooking channel. I was just going to talk about thoracic outlet syndrome and then maybe throw a cooking video in for fun here and there. And then some of my viewers liked my cooking and they encouraged me to start a cooking channel. So the hard part about cooking with TOS is not only do my arms hurt all the time and I get pain in my shoulders and my hands, you know, so it makes it hard to do much cutting, chopping, mixing, or even like when I use a crock pot or something like that, it's heavy, it's hard to wash after and things like that. And the problem I've been having lately, probably the last 4 months, is my circulation is getting really bad in my left hand. I had surgery on the right side, and so the circulation is a little bit better on that side, but I have a little more pain in this arm. So a lot of the time I'd use my left hand more because it doesn't hurt as much and I have better use of it. But now lately it's getting where my fingers hurt all the time because the doctor said it's like Raynaud's syndrome because they actually turn white sometimes when it gets cold. So they get no circulation, and so it's kind of hard to handle cold food and actually even like warm food, like you know, even if I'm trying to turn things on the grill or whatever, the heat really bothers that hand. It's kind of hypersensitive. So been having a lot of problems with that lately. So I don't know if that's going to get better or not. The doctor said I may have to see a thoracic surgeon, but I'm not planning to have any more surgeries unless my fingers are about ready to fall off. I'm still recovering from my double spinal fusion surgery I had a little bit less than a year ago. It'll be a year, the 25th of this month. So I'm still dealing with recovering from that, you know. And then my wife passed away, so I don't have anyone around here to help me with, you know, with stuff. So just makes it kind of hard. Anyway, that's my video for today. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.
Every day and every night, hanging on by a thread. That stretch just a little too tight. If I can't find some peace of mind, I'll take what I can get. I ain't doing much good, but I'm doing my best.